Pay-per-click, PPC, is an advertising technique in which advertisers pay publishers a commission every time one of their adverts is clicked. For example, bloggers and affiliate marketers that place adverts on their website. PPC programs build networks in which publishers can choose from a variety of advertisers to discover the best content match for their site, or this process can be automated using optimization algorithms. A bidding procedure in which marketers compete for ad space on your website is an alternate model. Because not all ads will pay equally, you'll need to be strategic about which niches you write in and what keywords you optimize for, if you want to be successful with PPC marketing. If you can leverage your content to drive clicks and conversions in high-paying niches or keywords, you'll be able to make more money from the ad placements on your site. This type of strategy will mean the difference between earning a few cents per click and generating substantial revenue that has a genuine influence on your life and business. Now, let's take a look at what the common features of PPC affiliate programs are. 1. Ad formats. Although most PPC tools offer display advertisements, several specialize in other forms such as video or native. Some affiliate marketing ads scan the text in your posts and articles and give targeted affiliate adverts. 2. Minimum traffic requirements. Many pay-per-click programs don't require a minimum amount of traffic visits to your site, which makes them ideal for newbies. On the other hand, there are ultra-exclusive programs that have not just very high monthly traffic minimum threshold, but also other requirements such as content quality and traffic geographic location. 3. Payment models. Payment methods for PPC programs are typically similar, although rewards vary widely, mainly based on how exclusive the program is. 4. RPM, revenue per mil. This is the profit per 1,000 impressions that can be expected. RPM is a fantastic way to measure revenues because many pay-per-click programs are calculated by impressions. RPM is not included in all pay-per-click affiliate programs because it is not suitable or available for every PPC scheme. 5. Revenue share. This is the percentage of gross revenue received from advertisers and networks as reported by the ad server. Key measures for you to take note of. CPC, cost per click, CPA, cost per action, CPM, or cost per mil, which is cost per thousand, and CPL, cost per lead, are examples of these metrics that decide which actions will earn you money. Given the large range of programs available, it's critical to think about your specific needs, expertise, and strengths. The most important items to pay attention to are the normal monthly minimum traffic levels, traffic source restrictions, and payback periods. Some of these PPC programs have extremely high, exclusive expectations that are completely out of reach for newcomers. Furthermore, the minimum payout amount required by a PPC program is a crucial consideration because you may not see the minimum payout money in your bank account for months. You can start making even more money with a PPC affiliate program once you've established yourself as a successful affiliate marketer with a website that receives a lot of traffic and conversions. Managing PPC affiliates is a difficult task. Unlike affiliate marketing, where you can earn money by selling things, PPC affiliate networks pay you for each click that your website generates. If you're looking to earn money through pay-per-click affiliate programs in 2021 as a publisher and affiliate, then you have to commit to these tips I have highlighted briefly. Tips on how to make more money using PPC affiliate programs. 1. Increase your CPC, cost per click. To generate more traffic, advertisers pay a set amount of CPC for each of their keywords or themes, which is known as CPC bidding, also known as website clicks. Increase the CPC of your complete website if you actually want to make more money from PPC adverts on your website. Here are 2 fast techniques for increasing your CPC and earning more from pay-per-click affiliate programs. One way, if you want to earn a high CPC, is to choose a niche that is extremely profitable. Insurance, for example, is easily the highest paying niche in the United States, with an average CPC of $17.55 per click, followed by online education at $12.08 per click, marketing and advertising at $6.45 per click, legal at $6.11 per click, and internet and telecom at $4.96 per click, all of which provide the highest CPC per keyword. That means that if you own a website in one of these businesses, you'll naturally attract high-paying ads from which you can profit handsomely every time someone clicks on your adverts. Targeting the right audience is the next technique for raising your CPC. If you want to increase your CPC, you should probably target audiences in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and other countries. You don't have to live in such nations to bring traffic to your website from countries with high GDPs, providing you a higher CPC than countries like Nigeria, Afghanistan, and others. The amount of money you make through PPC affiliate networks is totally determined by two factors, the traffic to your website and the industry you work in. If you're in the fitness, real estate, or credit card industries, your PPC will be incredibly high. That means you can make a lot of money if you work in a highly competitive field. Number 2. Subscribe to this channel to get up-to-date information on affiliate marketing tips, tactics, and strategies to stay in check of developments in the industry as a whole and not miss out on money-making opportunities which I will consistently bring to your notice every week. Number 3. Avoid these things. When it comes to pay-per-click affiliate networks, one of the most common mistakes individuals make is placing too many ads throughout their website, including in sidebars, footers, header sections, blog posts, above the fold, and on every square inch available. You will harm the user experience if you add too many PPC adverts on your website, which will affect your overall website loading speeds, dwell time, and other metrics. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 advertisements each page if you want to get more hits. Also, don't rely on traffic from social media or forums unless you're driving relevant people who are actually interested in clicking the PPC adverts placed on your site. Also, rather than displaying a large number of advertisements on your website, focus on 1 or 2 PPC programs at a time. Number 4, your website traffic sources matter a lot. When it comes to making more money with PPC affiliate programs, where you get your website traffic is critical. You'll be able to generate more money if you concentrate on attracting more search engine visitors by targeting the proper keywords. If you don't, your traffic will be difficult to convert, and even if you get thousands of visitors, they will seldom click on any of your PPC advertisements on your website. If you want to succeed in PPC affiliate programs in 2021 and beyond, focus on qualified traffic sources rather than creating traffic from random sources. Number 5, getting highly relevant visitors to your website is a terrific approach to monetize your website with PPC ads. As a publisher, your CPC and PPC are heavily influenced by the amount of relevant traffic your site receives. Only then will you be able to readily attract appropriate marketers to place adverts on your website. When it comes to increasing your PPC earnings, relevance is everything. By focusing on the proper keywords, you may drive relevant visitors to your website.